Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. In this particular video, I am going to show you the top 10 Kaggle notebooks, what I feel is really important for you. Whether you are a fresher in data science, learning data science, or you are at a medium level, right? So these 10 Kaggle notebooks I have opened here one after another. I am going to tell you what this will do, what kind of knowledge it will give to you, and why out of so many notebooks I have shortlisted only these 10 to start with. Okay, so let me go to the very first notebook, guys. I also have an Excel sheet here where I have name of the notebook, the link to that notebook, and what this notebook offers. Okay, so the very first notebook which I'm saying here, Hello Python, right? This will give you useful for absolute beginners in Python. So what this notebook offers is, if you come here, this course covers the key Python skills you will need so that you can start using Python for data science. Very simple. Now, where from it starts, guys? It starts from very basic variable declaration. What are different types of variable in Python? How do you print a statement? And then you go to the bottom of the page and there will be some coding assignments for you. And there will be some next level after this. So you will see now it will go to the functions. If you go down here, then it will go to the functions or next part of the Python. Learn how to write new functions and understand functions others write. This will take you at least 10 times more productive as a Python programmer. So this is for whom? Basic absolute beginner in data science who wants to know, who want to start Python from the scratch. This is first notebook, guys. Okay, what is the second notebook? If you come here, comprehensive data exploration with Python. Same way, I have put here the notebook, I have put here the link, I have put here basic data manipulation and first level view of data set. Why I'm telling you this, guys? In this notebook, one data set is taken. Okay, once you have learned basics of Python, now it is high time you understand how to analyze data in Python, right? So here, if I scroll down, guys, using pandas, using matplotlib, numpy, all these things, right? You will see many visualization, many analysis. For example, describe, seeing distribution of data, seeing the cross plot or scatter plot kind of thing, box plot kind of thing, violent plot kind of thing, how to see correlation, how to see univariate, bivariate analysis, many things. It will give you an idea on how to do it. Okay, so this is also very useful for freshers, I will say, and also somebody who is starting in data science. Let us come to the third one, guys. Third one is data science framework to achieve 99% accuracy. Now, once you learn Python, once you learn how to work with data, it's high time you go on to building a basic machine learning model. So the third is a minor data science project, all steps involved. You come here and you see Titanic data set is being taken. And what all has been done here, guys? See the table of contents. How a data science beat the problem statement and define a problem, gather data, prepare data, perform EDA, model data, tune hyperparameter tuning. All the steps of a basic life science of data science project. And that is where this is very useful for you. Okay. So if you are a beginner, you want to understand, right? What are the important things in a data science pipeline? So validate and implement data model, optimize the strategy. Very important, this huge this Kaggle notebook, guys. Okay, what is the next notebook I have shortlisted, guys? Credit card fraud, dealing with imbalanced data set. Now once you understand how to work with the basic machine learning problem, all these steps, right? You want to go one level up and you want to see how to work with a real world data or different kind of, let's say, imbalanced data, or how to work with a medium level complex problem statement, right? So when you come here, you see this notebook here. The aim of this notebook is, it has taken a real world data, credit card fraud, and it has tried to fit a model on this to see how to work with a little different data. So you see many things have been done here, and this will give you a very good understanding of how to work with different imbalanced data classification problem, and if your data is not how you want it to be. So this will cover undersampling, oversampling, smooth, right? All those techniques. That is why I have listed it here. Now what all you have learned, guys, from these four notebooks? You have learned Python basics, you have learned data manipulation in Python, you have done one small project, you have done one little, medium level project. The next I have mentioned here is ensemble model details and hyperparameter tuning. If you come here, introduction to ensemble and stacking in Python. Very, very good notebook, guys. And hence I have shortlisted this. If you come here, you will see that many things have been done to make you understand how basically ensemble model work and how it is different from traditional machine learning models. Various ensemble models have been fit here. If you see ADA, Boost, Extra Tree, Random Forest, all these things. And then, what is the accuracy, what is the performance matrices for these models and how to tune the parameters of these models. Very, very good notebook, guys. The next notebook, how various algorithms perform on data. This is a very, very good notebook according to my understanding of data science, guys. So there are a hell lot of algorithms, right? So which algorithm will perform good on my data? Or if I fit linear regression and if I fit a random forest, then how the performance is going to be different. So here one data set is being taken and you see how many algorithms is being fit on this, guys. All these algorithms, the example with different data sets, classification, regression problems, many algorithms have been fit, and then it will be shown to you how to do proper EDA, how to fit different algorithms and how to compare their performances. Okay. And that is the reason I have put here this particular notebook. Now from here, I have put one notebook specifically for NLP. Start your NLP journey from here. And who can be a better guy to give this apart from Abhishek Thakur, right? All of you must have known Abhishek. Now, credit to Abhishek Thakur for this notebook, first of all. If you see this notebook, guys, everything in the world of NLP, right? Starting from what is TF-IDF, what is count vector, and how do you fit a basic model on, text data? How do you fit a naive Bayes? How do you fit a different kind of model? Once you do that and you come down, then LSTM, GRU, ensembling word vectors, grid search. So what is the purpose of this? The purpose of this is, suppose you have never worked in NLP. You have no exposure to how to work with test data. So this particular notebook will give you a wider understanding of what are the basic techniques to work with NLP, what are the medium level techniques, what are the advanced techniques, and what different things can be done on the text data here. Okay, so very, very good notebook, guys. Next notebook, a must to know topic for every data scientist. So why I have put it like this? This topic is interactive intro to dimensionality reduction. So dimensionality reduction, all of you must be knowing, there are various ways to do dimensionality reduction: PCA, LDA, and TSNE. Okay. In this particular notebook, you will get a detailed understanding of how PCA works, how LDA works, how this third technique TSNE works with one data set with some examples. Believe me, guys, if you go through this I have personally gone through, I have personally referred to this many times. Okay. If you go through this notebook, right, you will get a very good understanding of what is the use of density reduction and how all these different techniques work on that concept. Very, very good notebook again. Next, I want to put something for deep learning as well. Suppose you are starting deep learning from basics, you can go here and you can go to this notebook, TensorFlow Deep Neural Network. Very good notebook, starting your deep learning journey from scratch. Okay. So what all you will learn here? TensorFlow Deep Neural Network. What is prerequisite for this? All that we have covered till now. Fundamental coding skill, bit of linear algebra, matrix operation. Okay. And this will give you a very good understanding of how you can run a basic neural network with TensorFlow, how you can tune the parameters, what input it expects, how to interpret the output, how to work with TensorFlow graphs, how to work with different optimization techniques, all these things, right? This will give you that bigger perspective. One more notebook I want to put here, different flavor of data pre-processing for CNN kind of algorithm. Okay. If you want to get a different flavor of what are the data pre-processing that can be done before feeding your data to a CNN kind of model, right? So all those data pre-processing techniques will be shown here with taking data with some examples. Okay. This is again a very, very good notebook. So guys, I have listed here 10 notebooks. Okay. If you come here, I've started from basic absolute beginner Python. I went to data manipulation, little mid-level things, then I went to NLP, and then some deep learning topics. Okay, believe me guys, if you are at any level in data science, right, beginner level, medium level, or experienced level, I'm sure a couple of these notebooks are very, very useful for you. And that is why I created this. Okay, my one advice guys, okay, my one advice, don't take this directly and run, just run it. Okay, what my advice would be, you go here, for example, comprehensive data exploration with Python, you take the data set, you do your own analysis. What all univariate analysis you will do, what all bivariate analysis you do. Once you run out of the ideas, right, then you come here and see what has been done here, and then your thinking capacity will increase. Okay, your spectrum of thinking will increase, and that is the purpose of this video guys. So again, I will give this link in the description. I will give the names of this so that you can easily access. And if you found this useful guys, kindly give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet. I will see you all in the next video guys. Till then, wherever you are, stay safe and